Hi, I'm Shalini from Dynamic Health Staff. At Dynamic Health Staff, we are not just about education. We are about empowering your journey towards success. For years, we have been your trusted partners in mastering IELTS and OET, and also helping you to get the desired score so that you can excel in your career. Now, we are excited to take you even further with our new next generation NCLEX training program, keeping in mind your success. Led by our experienced trainers, our program offers online live sessions with flexible timings so that you don't have to choose between study and work. Whether you are just starting your NCLEX journey or need that final perfection, we are here to guide you through every step of the way. So, if you want your dreams to turn into reality, so what are you waiting for? Come join Dynamic Health Staff. Contact us at 9311777489 or mail us at healthcare@dynamichealthstaff.com. Thank you.